Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can share your Spotify Wrap on Instagram. All you need to do is open Spotify and look for your Spotify Wrap. Tap on it so that it will play the slides. In case you can't find it, I also made videos on how you can see your Spotify Wrap, as well as how to fix your Spotify Wrap when it's not appearing. As it is playing, you will see a button pop up from the bottom. You can click on that to share it, but I recommend waiting until all the slides are finished. On the last part, you will see this button. Just tap on it and choose Instagram. Then, Instagram will open and then you can share it. That's all for me. Thank you for watching. See you at the next one.